I've spent the last few weeks comparing ClickUp's free plan against paid versions of some of the most popular productivity tools. Tools people tend to pay $10, $20, or even $30 a month for. And what I found honestly surprised me. ClickUp's free tools not only compete, in many cases they actually replace paid features entirely. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly what ClickUp's free is all about and what it gives you, so you know which paid tools you can actually stop paying for. Now let's dive in. I'll show you the exact ClickUp features, what they replace, and who this works for. I'll also tell you when the free plan isn't enough. Now let's start with the foundation. By the way, I've included a link in the pinned comment and description which will allow you to sign up to ClickUp for completely free, and thank you in advance. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this, and I'll be starting with the most obvious one, task management. For example, if you were to tap on home, you can select all tasks and you'll see all of your tasks right here. ClickUp Free gives you unlimited tasks, due dates, priorities, statuses, and also multiple views. To access all of these options, you'll simply go down right here where you see spaces. From here, you'll be able to create different statuses and spaces. So for example, you can simply tap on the plus right here. You could create a new space just like that. Or you could choose to create a new task by simply tapping on the plus right here. By the way, you can see that I've created a few tasks right here. Now, when it comes onto different statuses, you can edit the status. You can set the due date when you have created a task. So you can choose whichever due date. And the thing that I like about ClickUp is it can also send a reminder to you via email or notification, and you can choose the priority as you can see right here. And it also offers multiple view by going to the top navigation bar. You can choose whether you like to view it via list or you like to view it via board, as you can see right here, which will allow you to simply drag the different tasks across. You can move them across, or if you would like to view it in calendar option, workload, dunk, or if you want a completely different view, you can tap on the plus right here that says view and you can choose a different view. So for personal use or solo work, ClickUp Free already does everything most people pay for elsewhere. This alone replaces paid plans from tools like Todoist and things where you usually have to upgrade just to unlock basic organization. Now, tool number 2. The next is board view, the classic Kanban layout. So you can access the Kanban layout by tapping on board right here, and you can see how it looks. Trello locks advanced boards behind paid plan. ClickUp gives you boards for free unlimited. So if you use Trello just to move cards across columns, ClickUp Free fully replaces it. For example, let's say I have a task right here and I would like to move it from waiting on client to review. All I'll need to do is simply select the task. Then from there, I could put in the new review section. And once it is completed, I'll drag it across to completed, just like that. Now, that is how you'll be able to use the board view when it comes onto ClickUp. Another option that ClickUp also provides is their docs, and this will be tool number 3. Now, to access this option, you will simply go onto your ClickUp dashboard. Once on your ClickUp dashboard, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option. From the left-hand menu option, you're going to simply tap right here where you see more. After selecting more, you can tap on docs. Once you have tapped on docs, you can create your first doc. So we could tap on new doc in the top right-hand corner. After you have tapped on new doc, from here you can give your doc a title. And ClickUp Docs Free includes rich text editing, heading, and also checklists and embeds, and also linking tasks inside documents. To access all of these features, once you have given your doc a name, so we could call it test, you'll tap right where you see start writing. After you have tapped on start writing, if you'd like to add an embed or anything like that, you'll simply tap on the plus. You can choose to write with AI. You can see the different options. You can add banners, checklists, columns, new pages. You can also add table. By scrolling down, you'll also see the option where you'll be able to add embed. You'll be able to mention someone if you were to add teammates. You can add things from Google Drive, Google Slides, Google Docs, Loom Video, Miro. There are numerous options which you can choose from. You can choose to embed a website, embed YouTube. There are numerous options that you are provided to when it comes onto ClickUp Docs. Now, when it comes on to ClickUp Docs, I would say it can replace how a lot of persons use Notion or Google Docs, especially if your notes are tied to projects. But if I'm being honest, if you want a massive second brain system, Notion would still be the best option. But for project notes, ClickUp Docs is very practical. Tool number 4 we'll be talking about is Calendar View. To access it, you'll tap on Home in the top left-hand corner. Then from there, for example, if we were to select all tasks, you'll see the calendar view option at the top. You can select calendar, and this will replace a lot of tools. For example, we can replace Sunsama, Flow, and also Motion for basics. So while advanced scheduling tools charge monthly fees, ClickUp Free lets you visualize your workload without paying anything. It's not AI-powered scheduling, but for seeing your week clearly, it's more than enough. And also when it comes onto ClickUp, you'll also get the option where you'll be able to set goals. And this can replace most paid goal tracking apps. And to access this, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option. From here, you can tap on more. After you have tapped on more, you're going to tap on goals. Once you have done that, you can see right here, set a goal. You can tap right there. You can give your goal a title, then you can scroll down if it is a case that you would like to give access to, for example, your workspace, or you'd like to keep it private. You can select whichever option. Then you will scroll down. You can also add a description. Once you're finished, you'll simply tap on OK. After you have done that, you can see right here that we have now created our goal and we're in the goal dashboard. From here, you can scroll down and you can create a target. So you could tap on create target, and you can also break down your goal into pieces. So it sets micro targets that you can quickly accomplish. For example, I could set where I would like to write 10 pages per day for my ebook or so on. You can set micro goals as you can see right here, and you can scroll down and they also provide further option. Now with this, you'll be able to track outcomes, also link tasks to goals. This is huge for students, creators, and also solo founders who want motivation without paying for another app. Another thing that I like about ClickUp is their dashboards. Dashboards are where ClickUp starts feeling expensive even on the free plan. Now to access the dashboards, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option and you're just going to tap on dashboards. After selecting dashboards, from there you're given numerous options. You can either choose a simple dashboard, AI team center, time tracking, project management. You have different options you can choose from. So you can simply tap on start free trial. Then from there, all you need to do now, I can select the space. Then we'll tap on create dashboard, and you can see how the dashboard looks right here. Now it shows widgets, for example, tasks due today, overdue tasks, also progress bar. This replaces simple reporting tools people pay for, especially if all you want is clarity. So you can see how it would look right there. Now the next tool we'll be talking about is collaboration. With ClickUp Free, it allows multiple users. To access this option, you'll tap on Teams from the left-hand menu option. Then you're going to tap on the plus. Then you'll select Invite People. Once you have selected Invite People, from here you'll be able to invite members, and you can also invite guests. And by the way, the big difference is, for example, let's say you hire freelancers and you also have full-time staff. You would add your full-time staff as a member, and then you would add the freelancers as guests. The difference is when it comes onto members, they are given more priority and more access to the different features and also the different information that you may store on ClickUp. While when it comes onto a guest, they are given limited options and also limited viewing options. So you'll be able to control what they see even more. So for small teams or side projects, this replaces paid collaboration tools as long as you don't need advanced permissions. And also when it comes on to ClickUp, they replace simple Zapier style workflow, so it is a good option for automations. So automations are limited on the free plan, but it is still useful. For example, when a task is done, you can move it to completed, just like what I had shown you earlier. So if your workflows are simple, this can replace paid automation tools for basic use cases. And also when it comes onto ClickUp, they give you a lot of templates even on the free plan. To access the templates, all you need to do is tap on home. And let's say, for example, we were to create a new space. By tapping on space right here, I'll just be creating a new space. After you have done that, you can tap on use template and you have different options. So for example, if you wanted to use it for project management, you could select project management. Then you have different templates you can choose from. So for example, I could select ClickUps. After you have done that, you can scroll down and you can see the different options right there. Then once I've tapped on done, create space, you can see how it will look. Then from there, I can also choose the view that I want. So when it comes onto ClickUp, it gives you free templates for projects, content calendars, and workflows. This saves you hours of setup and replaces paid productivity templates people sell online. And tool number 10 is one workspace on one app. This is the part no competitor beats. ClickUp Free replaces multiple paid tools because everything lives in one system: tasks, notes, goals, and planning. Most productivity costs come from fragmentation, not features. Now, when ClickUp Free is not enough. So when it comes onto ClickUp Free, as you can see right here, you'll be getting their free plan forever. And if we were to go onto their paid plan, it would start off at $10 and it can go up to $19. Now let's be honest, ClickUp Free may not be everything if you need advanced automation and if you manage large teams, or you need time tracking or workload forecasting. But for individuals, students, creators, and small teams, this free plan is insanely capable. If you're paying for multiple productivity tools right now, there's a very real chance ClickUp Free can replace most, if not all of them. The key is keeping it simple. And if you want, I can show you my exact ClickUp Free setup, the one I actually use day to day. Now, if you would like to try out ClickUp Free, be sure to click the link in the pinned comment and description, and thank you for watching.